though. Yeah. Straight. So we're there in the hills. We don't know. Mornings. We don't know our place for a longer time. So we're there give you strength and the support. See you,
You hear that?
Alright,
You hear
the sizzle? You hear the sizzle?
You see the sauce, rich man?
One sauce boss for you.
Yeah.
You know, man. Sauce, man.
Yeah.
Pepper down right, man.
Nice, man, I tell you. I want to just figure this out.
Roast dumpling.
Roast dumpling.
Oh, yeah, me.
And your ginger you wash.
You, I want beef crosses.
Where you say how do?
I put some coal live fire.
Before that.
Alright, you know.
Why today?
No, it is today. My rest.
Why today you don't want to cook?
My rest day today. That's like a rest today.
Today your Sabbath?
Yeah. No, I'm not Sabbath. I'm not dealing Sabbath.
You're tired today then?
Yeah, I'm just a rest today.
Yeah.
So, in general, squid martel, I go run the pot.
And where you are going to do?
Yeah,
what you are going to do today then?
Me?
You're tired?
Me, I need the flour still, see, and we all done tired. Nothing wrong with that. I'm put the coal knife, pot knife.
Nervous today, Fiddly?
Nervous is fun. You was Rasta nervous for the channel.
Yeah, because here we go. Here we go.
Here
Here we go. You see, from we tell you about how we want you prepare the meal.
I'm nervous.
You're nervous. From we tell you about this fricassee, you say, what? It's like it sound French to you.
No fricassee today. No fricassee today. You will not dealing.
You don't know about that.
I'm not dealing with fricassee.
Alright, here we go on then.
Yeah, me need the flour for now.
Me, I go do the chicken, I do the flour then.
Yeah, me just need the flour and things.
And boil it.
Me I boil it?
Yeah, I do the chicken to run on the sun.
Nothing wrong with that. It's a boil nice pot, me can't boil it.
Alright,
Yeah. You put on the pot and the boil nice pot.
True.
Master cannot boil flour for no eat on the channel. It's in the pot, it have to go.
You can't boil it. Only thing you can do is spoil it.
Friggery.
Wrong thing you say.
This?
Yeah, that look on a banana. Look on it,
about $700.
700.
Right, so me just have one.
Oh yeah, close.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
10?
10 banana and 8 beans.
And I eat beans.
Yeah.
It's where banana gone.
So you say you do the chicken?
Yeah, I do fricassee.
Alright.
And me I do flour. You
Alright.
need the flour and put on
Alright.
flour pot. And do what you say.
So what feeds are there today?
No back of camera right
Yeah,
now.
alright,
As
camera
you
today.
can do the back of camera hide people and skin up in teeth
I
and
hear Michael here saying we can run the pot, Michael.
then they go ask me say them, Rasta, 1 carrot.
Yeah.
That's it again.
Yeah.
Rastafari would have roast today again. See there?
Hey,
1 carrot.
Free fricassee.
If you fricassee.
Fricassee?
Fricassee. And see there now? Grace seasoning. See there? Not the superpower one, you know. Eh, Grace seasoning. Grace seasoning.
Maggie.
The Grace Maggie Grace
Great.
seasoning.
No, say Grace. Great.
Great Maggie seasoning.
Yeah.
Not the superpower one, you know.
Yeah.
This is the great Maggie chicken seasoning. Okay. And the 1 carrot. What they say?
1 carrot boss.
1 carrot bass. That is all.
Oh, that. Oh.
Yo, 1 carrot bass is Martel.
So that's
Always sit there. 1 carrot bass. And 1 Irish today.
Rasta.
It's what you know I'm on that.
One
And look at
Irish?
now.
No,
You
no,
can't.
no, no.
That's when them
1
talk about me.
litre
Look at
oil.
now,
I know that.
When they talk about me, black people with eye, look here. 1 quart. Look, 1 quart, you know.
I look to see if I can use all light.
Yeah, I know if you're going to use our light. When you can't come on, like a job deal, so no ball. It's more high. Rasta and the people in the band. Rasta, you have to go down the channel. But they don't know.
We don't know. We don't
They
know.
don't know what that like I say. So you can't come here.
One.
More high mind.
Alright, now stay tuned. And see if I can use all
I'll
light.
boss.
Watch you go on. Line up some coal and put knife in the stove and just catch a fire.
Worst
Say
part.
now-
Keep tuning,
Rasta.
up and running. One Martin TV, love.
Rasta?
See it, eh?
Worst part of the chicken is
Remember
wing.
that chop off a little piece, eh?
Chop it off.
Yeah, the wing.
The fly
Yo.
part.
The fly
See all the man them when they go to restaurant, go order all food, the curry chicken and then give all the wing tip.
Yo, I worst part.
Yo, them wicked as the Rasta.
Don't come back to my restaurant.
That them a tell me.
Yeah, tell them I put all wing in your plate.
Yeah.
Wing tip.
The wing
Wing
tip.
tip.
Not even
worst
wing
part-
tip.
When
Curry chicken and man then chop off the wing and have it in there cook down by itself.
Then all the wing tip.
Wing tip
Figure.
by itself. Them I say them man are wicked.
Wing tip.
When you say Fiddly, make up your mind for these two of them.
Yeah, that him there consider.
Me nah do nothing. Me nah know two nothing.
Alright.
One thing we have to take on. And we take on one thing. Two we are
One
working.
thing. Yeah, alright. Get some water and to go and talk. This is what I mean. Right? No rasta. Water, vinegar is going out.
So,
cold. that.
So how come you not on a wood today?
You don't know what's why we would today.
Me? Me not go do this. So.
You always say it. You always say it. Always today wood there. Rastafari out there about today.
Yes, sir.
But you don't know wood
Yes,
today.
sir. Always
Always today. Africa wood there, wood fire. We use it about no what there. So wood fire.
Yeah.
Now I cool this.
Yeah.
And I said wood make
I
this.
say, you know, stick fire better stick.
No man, I see wood. No stick. Wood.
Stick fire better, okay? It's like a smoke thing now, my son.
That's the like it. The wood fire
The
smoke.
stick.
Wood fire smoke you like smell. Oh, you stick fire.
You see stick fire?
No stick fire around here.
You see stick fire, so the smoke we use
Alright,
stick
people,
fire.
look on this. See it up on the camera. A piece of wood make it. A bun cold. See there? You know done bun out yet. A wood. Not name stick none of this.
All that time they
So I
say.
want to show you a stick.
All that time they do, see how big
Baba
it is.
head. Look here. This stick here, and then you can find stick you can stick. This is wood.
Yeah.
Yeah, wood this.
How the big and head, Rasta?
Big and fire. See your wood. This is wood where you put in a fire. Fire me I tell you about wood fire. Wood
So
fire.
that over there.
Yeah. How am I not talking about
Me don't know what kind of wood that come with.
I said, do they talk
No
about?
man, you can't change subject, you know, wicked boy. You can't change the subject, you can't change all your subject. It's so dangerous. I don't know where you're coming with. Me I show you natural wood, fire wood.
Then
You know what fire wood me I talk about? No farm stick no there. So we know that bush where it's fast stick there. Wood fire, wood where I do it. I need a little salt to turn the flour to need the
You
flour.
have to watch out with the salt, the oil, and the butter.
See you? You see you? Well up the back of the camera and skin up your teeth and laugh about Highland butter. And you know, me not use a Highland butter today. Me I use what? Flour, cornmeal, and the whole green banana. Straight from yard. See it there? Natural food. Rasta deal it today.
All
That's
right.
the part that me I prepare. But the Martel, I prepare the spaghetti. I won't call it.
And spaghetti and fricassee chicken.
Fricassee. I don't know what you want to call it.
When you say you prepare the spaghetti.
The spaghetti?
I don't know.
No spaghetti, no in a fricassee, Rasta.
Okay.
What here now, people? We have, who did remember when I talk about the chicken in the nail?
Yeah.
Command for them.
I know it.
We have a command for that go to next week.
I want to kill him.
Yeah? We are get Ramo to kill him.
Oh. So who want to cook him?
No, you?
Why me?
Then you know how to put the nail in it and them thing there.
Next week?
Me no want no old fall.
No, we are dealing with my Rasta.
And prepare it proper.
Command for which one I layer them in car?
One I layer for, yeah.
Oh, you know, say what's true then. If they don't say what's true then. Where you get that
You
data
stew
from?
them already, man.
You stew them already.
Can't you tell me so stew in it?
Alcan is a madman.
Anyways, yeah, we are going to have that for the upcoming vlog, though.
Alright.
Rasta go put the whole
Rasta
nail
control.
line. No, yeah.
My rusty
The
nail.
rusty nail,
Rasta
that's
the
it.
control, lad, you know?
I swear, boy.
Yeah.
So, I will I flavor for you.
Yeah, come remember, Big Mike with about 110.
Oh,
It's a first I need too much flour.
yeah, well, then I don't need to flip more than
I
this.
can't even know a site you used to work on your stuff.
Yeah.
I know, remember.
You don't remember when you are the past side, more flour, more than this you have to need. You know?
Throw some salt, give him there.
Move it to side.
No, I'm at the human thing,
It's
man.
not easy, man, to control
I'm
style,
not
give me. So when you watch you out,
Come closer.
you cut already?
No, it's not cut yet. Still active.
Yeah, look for it. Sit there.
I mean, what I look for.
Oh, you want to look for Rasta?
Sit there.
Yeah.
If it's fresh, you can't say I don't make it fresh.
Yeah, use it
Rasta,
cautiously.
But you know, Rasta, I prefer food
Give me a
fresh more
cup,
than
give
it's salt.
me a cup now. When I rum company, when I have upstairs. You know.
What kind of cup you use with that, brother?
When I cup them,
And that you use them for?
if you drink rum.
Okay.
Yeah, the way me
Confession good for his soul, man.
What me not drink no rum now. No, man, me not till.
Alright, I get something for you, man. Anything you say, man. I get it.
Alright. You have the Rasta?
That's a Johnny flour.
And Johnny, like
Like a mortar for a site.
like a no cement. Me I mix today.
A cement. Alright. So much wind come out, man.
Rasta, where I give them money, you know, say you want to fly
You
out?
want to fly.
Who tell us anyone?
How you have it? Rasta, if you get a chance, son, either Africa or America? Which part is that though?
Me?
Yeah.
No, Africa or Haiti.
No.
No, here.
Why put Africa and America in it? Where would that go?
I got America.
So why not back to the Africa?
Nah,
I
go down
remember
there,
I feel every Rasta bar say they want to go back to
That's
motherland.
And there's some more.
So why you not go?
That's the one guy motherland.
Me not go there so fast.
Why?
No, sir. Me have to go somewhere else first.
You're not going to motherland
No,
just
sir.
so.
No, sir.
You don't like the motherland?
Motherland of Jamaica, you know?
No man, every Rasta say Africa is the motherland.
That them see so.
How that work and I say your bad.
Yes, you're bad.
Rasta, you know too like when people say me is African neither.
Me not
You
African.
don't like it, boy. You like it, Fiddly?
Me born in Jamaica.
No,
Me can't
he's
be
African descendant.
Yeah.
Like,
So you
all them would have
Fiddly.
basically
Hear me
refer
say,
to.
hear me say, why
Are
they
they-
say African descendant, right? I remember they said the people who used to own the farm them,
Yeah.
right?
Slave
And
master.
them rape the African them. So why we could be a descendant of England or one place? Why African?
Yeah.
Yeah, that me I said too.
Probably an African American.
Oh.
African or American?
African American.
I'm sorry, Rasta. Why
But-
one way? Why?
One
Yeah.
way. Mad.
Rasta say him is not an African.
So
And he's
so-
not
so-
going to Africa. Eh?
So you're African?
Yeah.
Which part of you?
The African hemisphere I come from,
Listen,
but
look,
not an African.
Oh, not African.
No,
Yeah, no. My mother never tell me say she come from Africa.
Yeah.
So me cannot be African.
Yeah,
Born in Jamaica.
yeah.
3 or 4 pain, born in Jamaica.
Yeah.
So me I go say me African.
Yeah.
Me a born Jamaican.
Can't be African,
Can't
Rasta.
be African.
You see, if I was African Rasta,
Yeah.
even though you're them
The tribe is that different.
You're them modern days, you know. If somebody left from here say that big belly, and
Yeah.
they have a pitney American.
Yeah.
The pitney is American, no.
No, I'm still Jamaican.
So that means African then,
No,
man.
sir. No man, my Jamaican then the Jamaican get pregnant and go Africa. I'm gonna have him over there. I'm gonna have him over there.
Oh, it's a really
Eh?
Africa, a Jamaican same way.
A
She just
Jamaican
have
same beer. Greatly ranking. Or I do a look.
Oh God, man, the door coming on, Rasta. I
You
eat,
see a one, 2 times show water at night and look there.
yeah, go on, good
Eh?
man.
Till you say, I don't know about the Rasta can't do nothing today. I'm telling you, I arrest and I look, I don't know where I go on. Imagine, you still jamming like cooking today, see? They say, me I sit down and watch where I go on today.
I saw you think when you have love for it, man.
Because me have too much love for cooking. You know,
You say my love
too
for
much
Fiddly?
love for cooking. You can't make me just sit down in peace so, and sit down and watch where I go on. So look at the door, people. Look at the smart head. What you do, look?
Where you say, auntie? Both you want to rest.
You see all your gene? You ever see Rasta sit down and walk it? Turn up and walk. Turn up and walk. Turn up and walk. Turn up and walk. See people, anything we do, we wash we hand. We just need the flour and sit there.
Stop telling people in like Rasta.
And we wet you up to do.
But wash hand, your ginger you wash.
You our big crosses. I'll tell you that. You have big crosses, that boy. Yeah, man.
I can't believe Rasta. But that really does. I can't. Long time I want to say this now.
Every time for the Chinese boy, I contain about ginger. Yeah, ginger. When you ginger, that's something you put blend and put.
Show me ginger. Look
Look at them, man.
at that cup there, see ginger. They cut the
Well,
ginger.
I'm sure. So when they call it Rastafari, you may call it pimento seed. Pimento seed. So when they call ginger, your people. And they must say Rasta and ginger. Look at them together. That's two different things, them, yeah.
No, turn it on.
Turn it on, see there?
No.
See there?
Turn it. Roll on, no. Turn on backyard.
See it there?
Next year.
See there? That's two different things. So we don't know we are telling people them say he's a wicked boy, so he's a big crosses. We can't tell you that.
Rasta. I tell you one, tell people say hand full of flavor.
That you want
That you want,
to
yeah.
my flavor on.
So you have to take it as a compliment.
You have to cook food for them.
You have to take
Guys,
it as a
flavor on with the
compliment.
love still for the food. Straight, one Martel TV up and around. Fish fry, love you, sir. Straight, love you, sir.
That's it's a big crosses.
Station United, we have to have talking. So we have to have it. Straight rise and thing. Turn up the thing.
Rasta says, yo.
Yo! I tell you, boy.
Big fiddler when they look. I gotta zoom in.
Yeah.
Then clean.
Bite size, huh?
Bite, you,
size.
then I bite you one bite them.
So, how are you going to do with them?
Eat my
Feed,
I
consume.
not consume nothing. I one.
Anything you want to do with it, you do, Rasta.
I hear a mouth.
It's alright, look. You can say what you want to say in your speech. I say what I want to say in my
So
speech.
you Rasta, he's a big crosses.
It's a you, baby, and it's a big crosses. You see our skin back on the camera? That's all you're doing now. Skin and laugh off.
Find the ginger again, baby.
Rasta, I'm a command phone.
Underground.
Underground is going on. You
I
just
never-
put the nail on the head. I roast one underground with the nail in him.
Say, wrong experiment that you want to give
The
it.
right experiment you are going to do because you try one already and it not come out right.
No,
Yeah.
man, it's nice, man.
No.
Remember you
That's
need to
the
white
White
want
boss.
more, you know.
Listen me now, he said take it out.
Rasta
And
is
when
a
he take it
lion.
white like this. Not the color we put on the night that they pan there. Eh? Die truth, man.
Because the rain out the fire.
You know this fire. Don't tell a lie for rain.
People watch your vlog, huh?
Yeah, people will watch your vlog and say no rain fall out no fire. You're a dangerous boy.
Chicken
You-
on the ground.
Chicken
So no
on
answer.
the ground. How I say, I want pipe me ginger them now your eye.
You accept me ginger now.
So just learn to catch fire.
Yo.
Plastic and cardboard.
A two flour we left here today and two fig and banana for the Dalvin.
That'll be win today.
Yeah, whole heap that man. She win to them and a good thing that's it. Yeah.
I get two flour today and piece of chicken and two finger
See
and
it?
banana.
Rasta look out for you today,
Look out for
Dalvin.
you today because there's a time but and one man look out for you now.
Oh.
Now you?
Yeah, man. But you win today.
You win today. Kale.
Two finger banana and two flour. What
Two
if I
flour.
put that?
Remember she done there telling me one day we have a bingo. She bingo today.
Win.
People, Rasta like the superpower for you today. You always say, you have to use chips to catch fire. See there? Cardboard me are working today, people, straight from the Island Drive. Island Grill we are give them today.
Yes, Island Grill.
Island Grill fire style we are give them today.
I'll start the control again.
You start the control again and straight. Fire kicking people, don't worry no say.
She say, you don't really understand it, but come on.
Me say, you are real novice, you know? That's why I say, yo.
That's why I'm sharp. Rasta, I'm sharp.
Yo, you see behind the camera?
Yeah.
That's what I tell you, say. This class is gonna stop talking, man. You see what I tell you?
Yeah.
You see it?
Yeah.
Just talk and kill the teeth, you know. You just look for me, how you shine.
That change the name from Fiddler to Crosses.
Yeah, we are changing the name to the Fiddler to Crosses.
Yeah.
It's alright. You got little crosses, squiddly.
Yeah.
You just talk something. Look for me hand them, all them pretty. And you talk about Rasta have ginger. Eh? And ginger something make drinks, boy. You kidding to hell.
She said I want to hurt you, sorry.
So hurt me? Can't hurt me. Nothing can hurt, dude. Look here. See that? No pain.
How the palm planet
How
Earth?
the palm planet to watch her. Trample ja hurt.
Earth.
Trample ja hurt. You that see that? Hurt me the pants, so me no hurt. Can't hurt. Oh, if you hurt and the whole of it nice.
Yeah.
Eh? One tear you out.
You sick?
You sick? Yeah, something that me can drink. Something soft. What you want to bring some gunky rock? I'm cooking and tell her to bring some strong on the channel. We'll have to bring in a Pepsi come give me. Or a Heineken.
There's a Pepsi rock no phone and stuff.
We went in together.
You ever hear that yet?
You can bring come give me and a black. Because you can get a backlash Johnny Walker black come. I will take it, but
As a real big
as
man.
a real big man. One backlash Johnny Walker black me not mash up your nut you can't for. Phil Martel and Squidly. That me not take you now. After the channel over, you will see me knocking it.
Start ball out, so.
Wait, look, Fiddler. You know what I do? I'm going to try.
We still have time to find out.
Rasta. You feel me know what I do?
You must know you do.
So if it look like you know, no faith in this thing,
Don't want no my faith. Listen me. We only need to understand in life. You see the faith, the faith of other men, and I want to concentrate both. I faith where you have in yourself.
Let me have faith in myself.
Yes, that is all that matters.
Not where you are talking about.
The faith where you have in yourself.
I love what we have in myself.
You see, if you listen to your faith where other people have in you, the day when they don't have faith in you, you go feel discouraged and doubt. So you have to believe in yourself, have faith in you.
Like say one day if you have cook, right? And you know in bad mood. You feel the food that come out nice.
I mean, you only people say that.
You
So
believe it?
yes.
No go so. Your mind do everything.
You're out attack with life, you know.
So all the while you say Rasta, you don't have love to do it.
But you love everybody.
Then I see them difference, man.
You love everybody that feed it, no cure the
But
mood.
I see them difference. So the people them where do it.
Cooking time, the vibes change.
No, not necessarily. I know people who love cook and them cook already and the meal come out less than par. Cause others. Then could they have a bad day mind frame without attack or something.
Start prepare different thing chip in our brain.
So you never have a bad day yet,
Yeah,
Rasta.
enough time but for the food I will look.
So what caused a bad day then? I must your mood, man. I don't forget you forget to
somebody
cook.
can get in a bad mood. Depends on where you go work, you get the boss kick off.
You see
something
you?
go wrong.
You see you?
Me
Man,
never
I talk about the food Rasta, man. So
me never in a bad mood to cook a food every time. Time I cook the food every day, be full of joy. No cure when me in the food happy, have joyful love with me to deal with it.
Yes, it's a have joy. Yeah, man.
Not joy when I want to see it.
Which joy you talk?
The one from above where the Father God bless you with.
That joy.
Yes, that one.
Okay.
The one the Almighty bless you with it. Simple? Up and run it. See there? Just put it on the floor pot. See there? You just start boil up it so you can't. But I look for you and you're dung in knife you see it up. Yeah, you signal there. Listen signal again, boy. Ready? Hee-hoo! Hee-hoo! Yo,
Wait.
I quick thing.
Rasta, how it look? It look colourful so far?
What?
This.
No, no colour yet.
No colour yet.
Because I don't see no red, green
So-
and gold in
so
there.
this
Just green
are-
and yellow. Be a green and yellow in there and white.
Oh.
So you need that colour.
Alright.
Garlic, cut up more garlic.
Yeah. So why never do it
And
anything?
then season. Then so you just tell me to when me I do my thing, Joe. You just tell me what to do. So I don't know. You say you gonna run one show today, and me I run one show.
You run
today.
all light. No all light you do and you run fiddly.
So why do I run all that? I want to run for
Why
you and
I
leave
say
it.
why?
Me can't run for
That's
you and
silly.
leave it. Me have to stay
You
as
hear
my
about
show.
the
I
fricassee?
don't know about this, a fricassee.
Fricassee, man.
You are talk about fricassee. I never do fricassee. French fried chicken idea.
So if I the fricassee much time interested.
Yeah, you know when you look about it. So no, I swear you do for fricassee. Red.
Fiddly.
Yeah?
This is it. You like what I go on here. You know Rasta? Every minute time you see a squeeze up on me, you know?
Yeah, right. I need to put on up.
So no, no, I'm catch the content.
That's why you catch it.
Oh, no, like I something me I learn.
Why you talk so you like it?
What do you mean? Talk me inside talk.
I'm sorry, Rasta.
Yeah. Talk me inside this thing I go
Yeah.
on. I say, yeah.
Yeah.
I teach this here I go on.
Yeah.
Ask it.
You like it.
Like it.
Rasta.
Yeah,
And if you look and learn.
you look and learn. You try your little powder ingredient seasoning them pan so you have to go look and learn.
Why you look and learn?
Nah, look, me learn for a long time.
Fiddly, catch your face. See
Look,
you look?
look at my face. Smiling, no
See you
vexation.
now, just smile.
Then every time when me I did it,
Yeah,
I
Rasta.
don't attack.
You
Yeah,
don't
me I
like the
say
colour
no.
now. You don't like the colour.
Me not see no red, green and gold yet.
So how you see?
Just go
The
and
red
see.
season that you just go on.
Fiddly, zoom in.
Come like it nasty.
Gold
Like
and
you now see what I go on like this.
You have more colour.
Wow, which more colour?
You have more gold in there.
See whole they just go on.
You have more
Lovely
gold.
Rasta. I must have just seen so. Yeah.
You know, should I boil them up in the knife first?
Alright. Yoko.
You think a roast chicken out the Rasta?
I know him, I do. You have a big old wing in there with them tip pan.
With the wingtip?
You see them said we have went chop them.
No,
No,
I saw it
I
for
saw the
steer.
guy go foot,
But the man them cut
Say-
off
I
the
say it
tip
go foot.
alone.
And give.
Have it in a box.
Brown stew and the
Curry.
curry them.
How we are say? I put another pig here.
The most disgusting thing that
most
man has
mad
done.
man them man.
Yeah.
Now back then, you never place to buy them type of food.
Colourful of it.
Red, green and gold, man.
Nice.
That's the favorite color them.
Yeah, lovely.
Ice cream and go.
Yeah.
There.
That's where we're going. Wow.
See me I tell you, say I'm madness. Actually, last time I dash away flavors.
Eh?
In dash away flavors.
Rasta,
In dash away time out of it.
finger licking good.
Who dash your time?
Yes. He said time some for in them. So, yeah.
Since I didn't dash your time. You go for time. Yeah.
Definitely. Time come back. Yeah.
Time. When come back?
Yeah.
When time come back?
In reverse time,
can't
man.
reverse. No time can reverse. I don't know where you get that from.
So where you see just though?
We are reverse the
Listen me
time.
now. Today, we're at 1 p.m.
Yeah. And now it's a step up.
And then tomorrow 1 p.m.
You done a reverse. A different day.
Which time come back?
Eh? We start another one with us.
No. I don't want time come back.
I want to grow there to go for. Now go that the time can't come back, but no more can't come back. When the gone, a different day.
Yeah, cover it up to go and germinate. Rasta.
No man, nah, you can't germ.
Go
Tell the people about your germs. This.
and germinate.
Okay, so only when you are saying nonsense it makes sense.
When other people are saying to us, they me that say.
Yeah, but it can't germinate.
Merminate, I tell you.
Oh, merminate.
Yeah.
Okay, not germinate. You must say wrong thing.
Yeah, must say wrong thing.
Rasta.
No germs.
Catch a fire in the bag,
You
man.
take out your fire, put my your fire. The floor, I'm going to drop my pattern.
Well, Rasta move so today, Fiddly.
Yo, where you do, Rasta?
The next one.
You not like laying out your lighter? Where you buy leash with
Yeah,
the lighter?
man,
Dog.
Eh? You have to buy a lighter for yourself and you're a smoker. You have to try beg every minute. to see
True.
people with. If you have the, for you turn a smoker, if you have a,
What smoker? Me?
no yo, if you have a pack of whistler for yourself,
Yeah.
you're supposed to have your lighter, you're supposed to have everything where you know so you need. You don't have to go around and beg people.
If you say,
For
yeah, it's a smoker.
Yeah.
But at the same time, we have to make them know that smoking is not healthy. You see me?
Smoking-
Always remind them of
Smoking
that.
is very healthy.
Rasta, look here now.
Yeah.
Take up other floor there and make me see.
Why you not take it out?
Don't need.
Why you want me go back down like that? So hard.
If you can take out that box,
Yeah.
still mother give him 5 bills.
The answer make you 1,000. He might give you 5, I get 1,000.
So 15 bills.
Let me take it out the people. You see it? So you can't say it don't come out.
Yeah. Need to Rasta, you learn, you know?
Me?
You learn.
Eh?
Left one there, so make it roast. Yeah, right, yes, sir.
Oh, macaroni.
You might eat it
Yeah, man.
Fiddly?
Yeah, that tastes good though.
Yeah, alright. Today we are make it taste.
A joke, you might give one
Nice.
the
Come
taste
catch it around here, sir. Nice, man, I tell you. I
Roast.
want to just figure this, sir.
Roast dumpling.
Roast dumpling.
Oh, yeah, me.
Who never have that yet?
You will never have roast dumpling. And we have to, and the ashes is supposed to go.
Like ashes?
You like to put it in the ashes and cake.
Mm-hmm. In a file paper.
You will file paper.
So-
See how
I
it's
want to
up.
like
Mad.
this,
Just like what it says.
Alright, on the side, that's how it for go.
Alright, that's it.
No.
Wait there.
I like
So,
what that- I
when you
like
put it
that
in the ashes, when it in the door farm and go in the ashes, ashes nasty, you go eat the
Yeah,
ashes.
The ashes can't go upon it, so.
Yeah.
Like when I say ashes well hot already, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And yes, I just say just steal me some of
Yeah.
this. Yeah.
Look cleaner, there's me feel more pleased with it, yes.
You turn it now.
You ready for turn it, yes, sir?
Just drop in the rest
You
of
can't turn now.
You know what, say, that's why you always broke up your fish when you fry them.
Right? You see me after. Don't take that thing away in the dealing.
Because you just put on something for the fire and I say turn it already.
Something, man. Don't watch Squidly. Squidly don't want no chat.
Me say, and that's why fish there
Come
later.
zoom in.
Ah,
You see?
You know him, I say.
Turn
You
it
know him,
something.
I say.
I want to
You
tell
know
you.
him, I say.
Tell me I eat that thing. You see, yo? And after I'm saying, the crosses. Yo. See that do me a deal. Don't tell me. The eat you that make it need to turn.
Yeah.
Right.
but
Ready.
and that's why you always broke up your fish.
You
same
know,
way.
nothing.
Yes,
I
I'm a
swim
play
away.
night.
Yeah.
I think them.
I swim away me deal it.
No fish.
No fish around here.
So, you know, I want to this, my boss.
Oh, them something that it tastes good.
Ah,
A joke here. People,
what am I
you
saying?
can't tell what I go on now. But Michael was here a while ago, Big Mike, the silver, and he said he'll soon be back. And I know we cannot know go wrong. He said, I don't see him
And the
turn.
mirror say, I'm going to control the pot.
I said, I'm going to come deal with this today.
And he said, we tell him, say, hey man, do the
And
chicken.
He said, when him done,
And drive
then
off with that
Paddy a go
speed.
lick finger.
Yeah.
And a him a come if he come lick finger today, him better sleep. Better sleep today. And that we get film share.
Yeah.
Am I going to name again, man?
Oh, Jean?
No, man. Next one, what I got there?
I don't know.
Natasha.
Oh, for them share. Michael I get for them share.
Him share, so him get to end up get. That's how we last.
It's a better sleep.
Better sleep. Right.
Nothing.
Nothing today. Think like that. Like other day we see a big man today. You sieve out.
You done granite sand
Done.
today.
What more than granite with the water down today.
No, man, the rest of it, press it and check it.
If it's off?
Yeah.
I don't know, you know. You want to test it? If it's?
No, raw do that and on there, man. Cause that not ready, you know. That one go back on the fire, Go me on the inside like a marshmallow.
It's almost here. Almost fit. Almost, my boy.
Thank you.
Fit with the miss. You see roast
food.
roast dumpling.
Nice.
I need to try it. Yeah, after dumpling, good in a pack.
Come on after the camera, boss.
Glad for showing me the money out. What you
yeah,
mean, my boss?
I'm not back over to that.
I don't know big flour like what we do mega dumpling pan the channel, a small flour.
Yeah, I know the ugly sin them.
This ugly sin them like your face.
I know the ugly sin them.
So Rasta, you know, I feed them banana.
You put the salt boil up here.
I'll put them in that. So you put the dumpling in cold water.
You ever put no cold water in me a cook? Man. Get some water bring come now.
So I eat banana.
Might as well, eh? If you don't peel it.
I don't eat it.
Rasta gone.
Yeah, Liam. So where you can't come after though? Where you can't come from? No eat banana. No yo. Where you eat? Plantain. You eat banana, where you eat plantain then? Where you eat?
Dumpling and Irish and something else.
But where you can't come? You don't can't dumpling. You can't banana come, that means where you want. You can't come.
Where you eat?
You don't know where me eat. You don't know where me
You don't
eat.
eat it.
I take banana.
Yeah. Bro, what do you want to say?
Cut a banana. Maybe I'll give this one lyrics for the people.
Yo,
So where you can't banana?
I can't believe this, man.
I know if you cook and eat it.
Oh,
Yo.
I like anything.
Liar.
Really, all the phone nearly drop out of me.
So where the episode look at chocho come? I know the man if you know it chocho.
You need to meat now?
Oh you mean? Eat it that meat. Eat that meat we cook. You can't tell me nothing. No, cause nothing wrong with chocho.
That's sorry, example.
But it's banana.
Yes, that's indeed. Banana.
Yo, Miss Every boy, repeat that.
Yeah. No, the argument there.
It's an argument. About banana? Where you do it? Where you do it banana? You know, you have roast banana, you have ripe banana, all type of banana. You have banana make called banana chips.
Yeah.
But this is not no chip, this is cooking.
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 Oh.
So Rasta, big woman mates.
The big what?
Big woman mates. Why you afraid to do the fricassee chicken? Which part of the process you don't understand?
You see the big woman meds there, so no?
All the while, they say, I ain't afraid to do nothing.
I ain't afraid to do nothing on the bring come. But
So why you afraid to do the fricassee?
You say I do a fricassee. Eh? What kind of fricassee you do?
You might teach how it's done now.
Teach me how it done now. Done now?
Yes, the next time you can do it.
Yeah.
If I done it, I go done. Me no want to see it.
Rasta, I watch Martha with the aisle too, you know.
You better watch him.
Aisle
How
bad.
it look?
Right amount of aisle, man. Which aisle that?
Half Jill in short.
One Jill.
Right now,
Yeah.
you might use more oil more on me. Look there. You know, can't see that?
Yes, it's evident.
Rasta. The oil me use, it have to use, but the thing you want to use a oil pan, it don't need it.
Alright, the next time when me I look about what going to say, I just chut na pot and
No, you need little to burn the
don't you
curry.
tell me say we don't need it, I say none at all,
The
that
amount,
just
the amount.
eh? We don't need a oil, I'm the secret ingredients.
The butter?
You gotta know as what.
It's a secret.
It's a
You
secret.
That's secret, you don't talk too much want people to know.
And enough you know.
I don't know if you know.
That's true.
And when we put it in a yard, I'm saying Hindi already.
Yeah.
Yeah. When we tell me I put it in a bad out. Yeah, see Rasta you too much butter.
Yeah.
But me have chicken on this time, me have to find a different ingredient.
Yeah, don't need the butter.
No, never see one not going in.
Yeah. Yeah, don't need the different thing.
Butter go work, but you can't see it.
Yeah. I know.
Wait, you see you have an eye pan it?
Remember, Rasta change everything, you know.
Me not change this.
Alright.
Banana.
Aye,
this,
bitch.
this is banana. Banana. No high can go pan it. It can't be no ayana for me.
I know. Why fiddle? Not even sizzling in the pot.
Now Papa, to your
Give me
pot.
one.
I want to go on today. You want ball out squidly? Not even sizzling like that. Now test it here now.
Accept it again.
Me just a hear sizzle when my water drop in there.
Yeah?
No.
Yeah,
Wait.
people.
See them the people.
Rasta with about 10 banana in there, man.
Them a new finger, them in my ball pan.
New ginger.
Yes, sir. New finger now.
New finger now. See them the people. Put them like that. Now, man, me take off the pot cover with a while ago in the people. You see that?
They have one fake on.
Man, I'm here have a steam pressure.
That's a normal and he use. Rasta, you think the oil hot enough?
No, sir.
He say, man, go test it to you,
Put
man.
some yarn night and put flap on it.
He say, man, test it.
Put press some yarn in there. They are not here.
Come put it on the knife. Come put it on the knife.
Rasta, how you say that not yet?
It's not hot yet. It's just hot and that.
Rasta, you always a bun up the thing, man.
You want to put yarn now? You want to show you?
Yeah.
Look here.
Put your reel and down in there.
Eh?
That's a bunny, you know.
You don't touch it. Tell it go there. You don't touch it. They think so we are fool. We have to get that side. I think they touch it. Touch what?
Good night. You smell it?
No.
Touch it. America. Put the camera on you.
You smell nothing, Skinley?
It's a silence. It's a silence.
Silencer.
Silencer.
Yeah. Let them now brown first.
Yeah.
And then just turn it.
You say, just understand it.
Yeah, that can cut and put in it and cook in it.
It's a very nice.
Can do that, man.
Yeah, man. See that?
Yeah, man.
Can do that, man.
Pineapple.
The hungry fruit in that crown.
You never know that. Anything pineapple can cook down in that. Pineapple cook down in that chicken.
Can I buy a burger and a pineapple
nice.
night?
And a nice round goat.
In it, burger? No, man, more I get some.
No, sir, we don't have a burger up here, sir.
Why?
We don't have a burger.
Why?
Me don't know when me burger, so me not deal with burger big. I don't full on burger. Me don't eat noodle. No case in noodle, I never eat a noodle yet. The fragrance we have come off of the chicken we have fried. Silo saying can't smell it, so bugu in your nose.
Yo, scark up.
Bugu in your nose. What are no kicks?
You smell it, man.
Come on. You know smell what come off of fragrance like
Smell what go on,
So
man.
him not no fragrance and smell.
You know, just tell me, man. Bugo in your nose.
You know when I stop up in nose, it's ackee seed.
Why on bread? No, see,
Yeah, see the ackee tree there look up. No, means you look up in there, so suit seed that drop in your nose. Say no fragrance smell. Yeah, that's not a fragrance smell. That kill me on the nose and watch out. Yeah, yeah, smell you now smell. Something wrong with your nose.
Rasta.
Right.
Why is it for that?
No, to ackee seed now. Yeah, you just get knocked. I rank the channel in the pan. I can't know. See, you have a minute, yeah? And then you have to have to smell.
Oh, no, man, take it slow.
You know, you just like, oh, you can see drop out I nose now. You can see drop out I nose now.
You see that?
Yeah, you see through there. See them here? Look at. Just drop out. See one of them here? Look at his nose.
And that they cock up your nose?
Cock up his nose. That kick now. Right. You know saying that kick before I'm just I think.
No, come back. The silence of the screw on.
You never know silence upon that. I have to see it. Yeah, man. Well, I cheat with the other. We can't disrespect the national team. I want to tell you, I see it's like that.
I Joe, so I drink them and they squeeze, eh? I squeeze up in nose.
That can't squeeze your nose. That must tap and short.
Yeah.
Yeah, fragrance is there. And the flour is boiling over.
This Rasta say you don't know for the people.
Oh, that's an easy frying that.
Simple little chicken.
Simple look of fricassee chicken Rasta don't know for the. I name chicken man.
Figure away. Figure away.
Just tell you right.
The name sound difficult, so I start saying, yeah. Me not depend that.
I tell you Rasta about fricassee, Rasta saying no, not about your fricassee.
The name sound difficult, so I start saying, me not depend that one day. What you are doing at this party? And
We still have to go and do something meantime.
but you don't know how to cook this, so you're not feeling that party.
You can't tell me nothing more over.
You get the concept now?
Yeah, me know for everything like
Good thing you have a teacher like Martel.
Yeah.
Master Shifu.
Me have fried meat long time, so me never know. So that we-
Master Shifu.
You never know.
That the man kill brother.
Nothing wrong with
Yeah,
that.
tell
fried.
me
First city
Sure.
Master Shifu.
Where's the style? No? Catch style.
No, me tell
Brother,
him say.
brother, the
Listen,
man.
no, listen what me tell you,
One
say.
at a time.
No, me I talk to you.
So,
Me
yeah.
tell him, say, when I just put it in, I should a little bit.
So, oh, you say the man thing come down pretty and
No,
nice.
no, come more cold, we put it in there.
No,
I'm more cold. You just come back in a style. You can't come mash up this. You just are coming out.
Yes, another time we season it, you know, the time we on your watch. Time.
Well on.
Time and patience.
Hello. You want me to show you time? You man then dash a piece of clock. US cut up in there.
Time and patience.
Them their time. If you want to know that.
That's all no man.
I want team killer up and running.
No, don't call me that.
You? Yeah,
Police come
him?
to the man.
Wicked
Do
man
not
is back
ca-
camera man.
Jesus, peace.
Look there people. Look how things feel. Pretty and nice. Up and running. One Martel TV. See there? Straight. Hee-hoo. Hee-hoo.
Rasta don't know if you do that.
You see, you don't know if you do nothing. Because be a camera here behind and laughing.
Remember the chicken underground next week.
All
All we are doing together.
that we are doing, our teacher.
Look on this paper.
Knife don't hear him
Tell
people.
me
Tell
for
me
some
you don't want
point
a smaller knife and then hold a deep like pot hole.
So I walk up them. I walk up the whole level.
No, I can't have better.
First set out. Huh?
Yeah, first day out.
Colors there, real color, not in the KFC. Can't get them pretty colors.
There's original chicken.
Hola.
Original style that. See that piece of meat here? That's the dolphin. That piece of the Natasha. Lasco, you don't get that leg here, but the whole time.
Hold on, finish the British.
Wait, see him there as you call his name.
Jesus Christ, just make it.
Live it.
Live it. Just make it.
You know, stop. You must go away.
No, go away. We better go away then. Because see them, look there. Find dumpling. See the people still bubbling. Ready.
I'm looking at chicken pot.
Looking at chicken pot.
And look on Silver face.
Look for silver face.
Because Silver go miss this.
Miss this. Eh? You go sleep for 1.5 hours you left after. You boy silver. But, yeah.
So Michael, how you feel about that? Alright, if you make it.
Quick jog on now.
Got me under.
See you doing fry, man.
Coming along. Right, color them.
Stylus, I am cook it down, you know. See that? Yes, I am cook it down.
Rasta, you approve that? You approve that?
I'm out of
A quick and fast style, I said.
Yeah, I'm out of quick and fast.
boil up and take off. We don't know that style.
Quick and fast.
Not today. We don't know throw water, cook and boil up. We want it cook properly. This is why Martel are dealing with it. Look at the color where it has.
Tender touch.
No, the real brown golden color.
Real.
Real natural golden color. See it there? Actually, I have it.
Oh, you want to see fids?
Yeah.
Come cross, my boy. Yeah, you hear that?
Right,
Rasta.
you hear the sizzle?
Rasta.
You hear the sizzle? Watch the sizzling up,
Oh.
baby. Oh.
You smell style, you don't smell nothing enough.
Yeah, man.
So you need to smell all the while.
No
style. You are not that style.
Aki seed.
The Aki seed.
No,
Yeah,
why
you
am
are
I?
right.
Man, come
Yeah,
back with
General
that
talking truth. The Aki seed.
Why
Black, no
not?
style. Style show.
Why, hombre?
Style. You there night? You there night 3 a while ago. Me have to
Alright, ease up.
And guess what you do?
Rasta, John, I try John.
No, man, we not John. We not John in
Rasta,
can't go
where
on there, so the man say right amount. See there? Right amount. Look there.
No, I'm not sure that kind
No,
of...
man, not right amount. Me not John nothing there, so I don't see no there, no river no there. The river and island no there, and no sea no there. So we cannot do no John in here.
Right amount.
Right amount.
Mold.
Exactly. I bet you.
What, Martel? Eh?
We are just well locked in now.
Hold it.
Twins, yeah, man.
Yo,
Hold it.
So no, I feel now, yeah?
Me?
What? And the best part I put that turn over your yard, then I'm seeing on Facebook there. And today you not get licked. And today you not get licked.
Ah.
Hey, Martel.
Yeah, people, Martel over here. Bite up the chicken and taste it.
Fiddly.
Hmm?
You see the sauce rich, man?
God, man.
You
It's
want
no
to
poor.
sit? You want to sit?
You don't have to ask that. You somebody always ask boy if I want the hot gravy in a man. Today we not go see. No, Martel, you have to cool that.
Cool, you think you're a baby? Well, you're on bad, man.
That
I'm
look
prepared
too
for
hot,
this.
Martel.
Come on, look to me again, man.
Wow.
Prepare for it. Prepare for it.
Wow. Yeah, peeps.
Yeah, peeps, you don't know. Your boy Colors and we out here without fear. And we are representing Martel Adventure TV. You don't know a thing go. You know all them. That is it, the man. Yeah. So we're there in the hills. You don't know. Manningsy. You don't know our place for a longer time. So we're there to give you strength and the support. See you, mate. You don't know how we say greatness. And greatness in our arena, so we have to pass it and see you. Yes, MG.
Straight love and greatness.
Straight love and greatness. That's the secret.
Up and running.
Respect, yeah, man.
One love.
Outside.
Outside. People. Wow!
Oh,
My
that's that.
God!
Rich,
This,
no?
me alone to take it out.
Yeah?
Me alone to take it out.
Meet it down, my pussy.
No, that's it.
No, man, him alone, we take it on. And that's him I try to tell we, you know. Yeah, that's him I try to tell we, man.
Me alone to take on. I watch it now. Real Jamaican hockey skill. Rasta take out the party. See there? People.
So why you never use that on your side?
No, my hand cannot hold this fire heat where this happening.
Hot.
Hot!
Yes, steam.
This a burn
Big
off.
up, fam. Big up, big up.
This a burn off me and I don't go say that look like this.
Yeah.
I won't tell you.
Fitz, come check in like that.
Up there with that big bar store, me. Check in.
Greatness.
Alright, people. Watch it now. Come in. See there? Rasta come in with it. Next ingredient spot with the flour and the banana. The real Jamaican thing. See it here? Right a yard. Look here now, people.
Where's the banana?
Banana. A banana we know when we don't know in eye, because no eye on him.
Where you go eat, Rasta?
One thing
Where
here.
you go?
Banana.
I
Me
know.
not no eye. See me and my one. Two then give me. Where you two then? Eye. I want that time me and me so. See there no Rasta up there. Straight. Watch it now. See there? And the two natural platter lift up one time. See there, people. Oh, it look.
Double dutchie.
Hairstyles. Easiness, that's easy.
Your style.
See the cakes.
Clap. Oi.
Give me some flour.
Really? How is it up, sir? Jesus.
Yo, Rasta, you get on there.
Nah, you're one,
On
man.
the farm.
Hey, that beat I was singing from Matt. Yeah, I was. From because I was snapping.
You can't give a fiddly review, friend. No, I gotta say where that prayer first.
Yeah,
Man,
man.
I grew up
Yo,
in
I'm
church,
gonna-
no?
yeah, man,
Just
I'm
lock
gonna-
the dish.
No.
Come up and catch it.
You have to pray over your keeper. You can't understand.
So done. I think Martin them don't make
No,
it
they
like
can't.
that.
Go on, do it.
Alright, Father God, you know so.
Remember that one up here now, yeah, I have to pray to you know. You that's how I know you can't pray to normally.
Have some reverence, no man. Clasp on hands and close on eyes.
That's the guess.
Food and thank you for life, health and strength and whatever you have lined out for you. You know, you accept it from now. You name it. Amen. Martin Adventure TV.
Big
Out
up
there.
yourself. Dalvey and Natasha, who know one day are prepared. See there? 1, 2, 1, 2. Natasha, Dalvey. See there? Easy.
Listen, Martin, you don't need to give me a review.
Oh, I mean if I get a review.
Oh.
But I forget review, man.
Why do you forget this sticker?
No, meaning like if you don't have a review your own cooking, that's all I meant.
Like, no, I'm still have a review those style. I can feel it bias.
It's a 50-50.
I give a fear.
But I know you give a fair score, say, but you don't need for you teach your style of Master Shifu.
Should I get more meat those style? Got one leg look like a disappointment.
That's what I think of them, man. When the pot go start at 3 press today, when the pot land, 3 dozen.
One time I fit me, I said, one time I buy a little more chicken.
Yeah.
Well, try to me right now, and then just jump past it.
General,
Yeah, right
tell a
now,
lie.
a good thing, the little sauce enough.
Yeah.
Yeah,
The Martin TV.
the meat
When
kind.
we were preparing the food, I was 3 of us. And we talked to Siva, as I known as Big Mike, and he said soon forward. And now he can't forward, so you know what wrong with him. He wants Siva out.
I love, yo, I predict this from morning.
Yeah, man, he wants Siva out, man. See there? And
You
that
sell
mash
the
up
meal
me.
fiddly?
And from the last vlog we are talking about it still say
no,
because
right,
beer friends there on the block now, so you can't vex.
Good. Straight up on the wall. I put it far.
Stay too long.
Yeah, people, get the review, get that next Rasta
Stay
review.
too long.
Am I a rasta?
Yeah, you know, that's debatable, but maybe we don't have to talk about that now.
Rasta, first man jump up, say man, Rasta in here. Think about it.
It's an impulse.
A question I ask, you know.
You have enough?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5 hours jump up. Anyway, I'm dumpling this.
Yeah.
Curry
Fiddly.
dumpling. Calm in.
No, I love it.
A curry flow.
You see pepper what you say? You want one more night?
No, man, you could do one more. Alright, I'm out to that, man.
You don't understand. Fit. You see pepper you tell me say you want one more?
Yeah. Balance it, I know.
Jesus Christ. Jesus Christ.
Right, man. You want more pepper put in your ear?
No, before it come down, me tell him, so no.
Before.
So the one pepper, me tell him say it need make it there, so you know. What that you taste a while ago?
Feel like a home cook.
Banana?
Where you eat?
How it taste?
Where you eat?
You know, where you hear?
It tough?
No, where you hear? Where you hear?
It cook properly? It tough?
What you
Where
hear?
you eat?
Where you hear?
Yeah, I say if it cook properly, the banana tough?
Here.
You say I eat banana.
Okay. Let me see that plate.
You don't answer
Try
me.
another plate. Let me see what-
Let's see what I want.
Try and light another plate. Or that and then.
Okay, exam man.
See that? A boy can't go so I'm saying
No man, so me take out
Banana
one, so me
and
take out the one and put
Yeah,
in
man.
this.
Yeah, you say I tear down that one side.
Yo, boy, I feel I do them, man.
Face, I can get here. You see one, Chris?
Put me the plate, no, man. I know about that. Skip out this, you know. Make sure you put this in it.
Alright.
Boy, I ain't gonna. Yeah, man, this ready, man.
Don't stop it. Just give me camera. You stop it?
I mean,
Well,
so me
why?
don't want to wipe my face.
Oh, yeah, you don't stop it.
John, what you want?
You never stop it, man.
That messy.
For health and strength and daily food, we praise thy name. Oh Lord. Amen. One time, not forget the prayer when we there. So,
What fits? Man, the first prayer was
The first
disrespectful.
prayer was disrespectful, man.
Yeah.
Okay.
You know, me never like the first one either. Yeah, allow that alone.
Taste banana, everybody afraid to say.
I know.
Me never say me afraid to me eat banana, man.
I know. Fiddler, flip down your top and see what I go on. Ah, yeah.
Banana soft and nice.
Mm-hmm. You say fits?
We now repeat this now. You know the camera now expect to be here.
Yeah.
See your sauce, huh? This is sauce boss.
Yes, sir, that me put on the shirt them though, sauce boss. But Fritz, me don't know how to Irish them boy. Like the Irish them, like a Chinese come from. Too long the Irish them a cook Chris, and they no get soft. Me wonder if a Chinese. You taste it though? Yeah. And a cold stove, like a China, and call them cut thin. Like a China Irish. Yeah. Yeah, that's true. Cause fiddly, if Irish they on cold stove how long, I think like Irish, it should really get soft. No, no.
Carrot cook out.
Alright. But no, like a Chinese Irish here, bad man.
Irish old man.
A whole Irish. Oh.
Probably have to give one of them dumplings. I really like dumplings.
You're mad, dumpling bad than rice. How you feel, Chris?
Mad.
Chris, dumpling not bad than rice.
Than rice?
Yeah.
Disagree.
You don't like rice, so
Disagree.
we don't know how fiddly get for go on, okay? We don't know how fiddly get for like the rice business, like in my Chinese.
That Chinese my father.
The Chinese name?
Chris, where you lock up that for with you?
You hear me tell you, you know, hear me?
Hey, dinner?
I'll come for more.
Style, like a whole Irish and whole bad man.
Yeah, it's tough, man.
Yeah, they whole. If you Irish, you cook pan cold stove, how long? Eh?
And it's cakes.
Yeah, cakes there for you, man. Cakes there, man. How is sauce going?
Sauce active, man.
Cause fiddly say for my shirt, I'm put sauce boss on it. Have you seen some?
That's it, man.
Sauce boss.
Yeah, one sauce bar for you.
Yeah.
You know, man. Sauce, man.
Yeah.
Pepper down right, man.
Yeah.
Wow.
What I do? Wow.
So yes, fiddly, next vlog hour, the underground chicken again.
Yeah, underground chicken. So just check me out and stay tuned for that. Like, comment, subscribe. I'm saying I'm not supposed to talk with your mouth full of people, but now they're gonna forgive me, huh?
Yeah.
Just long as like, comment, share and subscribe.
Yeah.
Continue support,
Yeah.
respect it.
Yeah.